The next part of the assembly is this reversing lever, and the reason of pushing that down hard is to make sure that in the neutral position the gears don't touch. If they do touch, we have to go back and try and push that down. Well, I've put it on and it doesn't seem to touch. Works that way and works that way, so I think that's okay. In the middle it's not touching, it's clearing the gears, so that's down far enough. The next instructions were to put some white lithium grease in the little hole in there, and that will now take this gear. It goes like that. Okay. We'll engage with that gear there. A couple of screws. We will now attach them. I sprayed some lithium grease in there. Should be alright for the gears. I'll just loosen them up a little bit and just see how they run. It'll be alright that way. So that's alright. That's held by the pin in the middle going into the bearing inside there, so that can be tightened up. Okay, I've now attached the change gear plate. There's a bolt and nut here which you can loosen up, and you just adjust that so it meshes correctly, and then tighten that nut up. That's it. Pretty good. I'll just hold that, tighten that up. The next step is to fit this large gear here. There's a little ring with a groove in it. Oh, no groove. There's a little bit of a groove in it. That's right, a little keyway groove. So that slips over here. With the, you can put the keyway in first. A bit of a tap. Seems to fit alright. More. Okay, now the gear. Tooth. And there's a screw with a washer that finishes that off. See? Okay. Try the other direction. Seems to work alright. Probably check it out now. I've plugged the power in. The safety switch off. There it goes. And the other way. Yeah, lever off. It's just a chuck. spinning quite nicely. Quite smooth. Reverse. Watch the power lead. Getting caught on the gear there. So be careful. Carriage is moving. Okay, it's working fine.